Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love minimalist interiors with a cozy yet elegant touch, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into Japandi style, a perfect blend of Japanese and Scandinavian design elements. Japandi is a hybrid design style that merges the minimalism of Scandinavian interiors with the serene and refined elegance of Japanese decor. It's all about simplicity, but not in a way that feels cold. Think soft, neutral color palettes like beige, soft grays, and muted greens, combined with natural elements such as wood, stone, and bamboo. In a Japandi space, you'll often find low-profile furniture, making the room feel open and spacious. The design prioritizes functionality, so every piece of furniture has a purpose. There's an emphasis on craftsmanship with beautifully made, timeless pieces that bring both style and utility to a room. Japandi also places a high value on decluttering and creating balance in the home. Every element in the design is intentionally chosen to create harmony, with a focus on both beauty and practicality. The style blends warm and inviting elements with clean lines and simplicity, allowing you to feel calm and centered in the space. Another key feature of Japandi is its focus on creating a peaceful atmosphere. With the use of natural textures, simple decor, and a calming color palette, the space feels inviting and tranquil. It's a space where you can truly unwind and feel at peace. So how can you bring this calming, minimalist look into your own home? Well, with Foyr Neo, designing a Japandi-inspired space is super easy and quick. Foyr Neo's intuitive platform gives you access to a wide range of furniture, finishes, and materials that fit perfectly with the Japandi aesthetic. From softwood textures to minimalist Scandinavian furniture and elegant Japanese-inspired accents, you can create a space that feels balanced and functional. With just a few clicks, you can add light wood furniture, use neutral colors, and incorporate elements like tatami mats or low-profile furniture that are essential to Japandi style. Foyr Neo allows you to design with precision, so every element blends together harmoniously. With Foyr Neo, designing a Japandi-inspired space is quick, easy, and fun. The platform offers everything you need to create a tranquil, stylish environment that fits your needs and lifestyle. Start designing your dream Japandi space today with Foyr Neo. Link is in the description to get started with Foyr Neo. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.